Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadows Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2002 Volkswagen Beetle, stock reference number 4070. This shape runs from the first month 2000 through to the 9th month 2005. It has a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive transmission. 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, right-hand headlight, right-hand indicator. Bumper bar does a small gouge in it. Left-hand indicator, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch alloy Audi rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has a few small dents. Left guard has a small cracks, may suit private buyer. Left-hand rear, 16-inch Audi alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage apart from the clear coat peeling off. Left rear guard appears to have no damage. Right rear guard, sorry. Right rear, 16-inch Audi alloy mag, good tyre. Right door has a few small dents. Right door mirror. Right guard has a few paint chips. Right front Audi TT alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim with the cloth peeling off it and the handle broken. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, sunglass holder, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.